sound for the new year on Lincoln's Hit Music 1027 KFRX. KFRX.
Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.
A new sound for the new year. KFRX. KFRX.
KFRX is reviewing the hits of 2006. The evolution continues.
Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.
A new sound for the new year on Lincoln's Hit Music 1027 KFRX. KFRX 1027 KFRX.
Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.
A new sound for the new year on Lincoln's Hit Music 1027 KFRX.
Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.
Before most of the KFRX DJs were even a twinkle in their daddy's eyes, this was the sound of Lincoln's Hit Music 1027 KFRX.
The evolution continues.
KFRX, reviewing the hits of 2006. Evolution continues.
This was the sound of Lincoln's Hit Music 1027 KFRX.
The evolution continues.
The future of KFRX begins. 6 a.m. A new sound for the new year.
The evolution continues.
6 a.m. The future of KFRX begins.
sound of Lincoln mornings has arrived.
3, 2, 1.
KFRX.
Don't call it a comeback. A new sound for the new year.
Please welcome.
This is Nat, Shannon, and Murphy. Nat, Shannon, and Murphy mornings. Only on Lincoln's Hit Music 1027 KFRX.
Good morning. Welcome back to the new year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Hey.
My name is Matt McKay. That's Shannon. This is my friend Murphy. And we're kicking off the new year with snow on the windshields and on the ground. Got a lot coming up today, Shannon.
I'm excited.
Very exciting evening last night. Very exciting weekend. Christmas. It feels like it was like 3 weeks ago. I feel like we're already at like Valentine's Day. We had a football game last night that was just unbelievable.
We had a football game yesterday morning into the afternoon that was actually miserable.
Very miserable. Yeah, it was not so unbelievable. Last night, there was a love story that went along with the football game because I stayed up till 12:30 watching something. So, talk about that coming up. What else?
You know what? There's some great entertainment news. We've got more football to talk about. We'll kind of highlight, how did the Huskers do? Cotton Bowl was yesterday.
Do we really need to discuss that today?
Well, we have to.
Just depressing.
We have to because somebody's going to be awarded with the Big Red Office Pool.
All right. What else? What do we got coming up, Murph?
We're going to recap, see how people are feeling, see how they're feeling still reeling this weekend from the weekend.
Taking care of 2006 and rolling into 2007. This cat right here is going to have a nice year. 4 Grammys up for that. Are you a big fan of the Grammys?
Mama likes.
Mama do like.
Mama like JT.
Yes, you do.
It's my love.
It's my love on KFRX.
If I wrote you a